Hello YouTube, welcome to Code Monkey. Today we are going to solve a problem called group anagrams. So let's see what the problem is. Given an array of strings, group the anagrams together and you can return the answer in any order. So let's see what is anagrams first. Anagrams are strings which have same length and which contains all the same characters. So for example, 8, eat and T are anagrams. Okay, live and while are anagrams. Okay, so let's start the solution. So this problem can be solved in multiple ways. One of the ways is since anagram will contain all the similar items, what we can do is we can create a hash map and store the key as the sorted characters of that string, and the value will be that string itself. Okay, let me explain you through example. So suppose we have a string called eat, then its sorted order will be aet. Similarly, if we have 8, then its sorted order will again be AET. Similarly, if we have T, then its sorted order will be AET. Then what we can do is we can have a hash map whose key is AET, and it has a list of strings which has EAT 8 and T as strings which are anagrams. Okay, so let's start coding for this solution. So let's take a map. Okay, we have a string as input and list of string as the value. Sorry, yeah, okay, and we'll take a hash map. Then what we will do is we will iterate through all the strings. Let's call it str, and now what we'll do is we will convert the string into a character array, say called chars, and to char array. Okay, then we will sort this char array. Okay, let's sort it. Okay, once it is sorted, we will convert it into a key. So the key will be arrays dot sort chars, and the key will be arrays dot toString. Convert that string into a character. Character array into the string. Okay, and now if our map contains key, so if our map does not contain key, then what we will do is we will simply put it. Okay, put an empty array list in the map. Okay, so key comma new array list. Yeah, that's it, and we will now add that value. Okay, add the value of the string in this. So map dot get key dot add str. Okay, yeah, now we can return this answer. So return new array list. Okay, and map dot values. Yeah, this looks good, it should work. We are getting a compass. So this is cats, not char. Okay, again we have an issue. Okay, the spelling of contains is wrong. Yeah, so this is getting accepted. Let's go for submission and see. So yes, it is getting submitted as well. So we are passing all the test cases with the solution. But if you observe, the problem with the solution is we are sorting the like array. So this will take an extra of k log k time for sorting. Okay, this will take k log k time for sorting, and this for loop is already taking O of n time. Okay, so big O of n time it is already taking. So the total time complexity for this solution will be big O of n k log k. But if you observe, then we can like reduce this arrays dot sort. We don't actually require this arrays dot sort. Okay, so that will be our second solution, second implementation as to how can we remove this arrays dot sort. Okay, so what like we are planning to do is, suppose we have EAT, then we can store the value of EAT in a like say a variable, a string, which will have the frequency of each characters. Okay, so suppose we have something like a b b c c c, then that variable may look like we can take any character. So a occurs one time, two times, so this will be 2. B occurs 2 times, so this will be B. C occurs 3 times, so this will be 3. Similar, and so on and so forth. And the rest of all occurs 0 time, so it will be 0 0 till 26. It's like Z, 0 for Z. Okay, so we can so in this case, if two strings are similar, say suppose EAT, then it will have a similar this coded value. Okay, frequency. So suppose the for EAT it is hash 0, sorry, A occurs one time, so hash 1 hash. For B it is 0, for C it is 0, for D it is 0, for E it is 1, and similarly for T it is 1, so on and so forth, and for Z it is 0. So the same string we will get for 8, we will get the same string. Okay, and for T also we will get the same string. So let's implement this over here. So for this, what we'll do is we will take a count array. Okay, and initialize count array, which will have zeros, and its size will be 26 since we are going to store 26 characters. And so I'll remove this part. And what we can do is in count. Okay, so for every like iteration of a string, we have to like restart the count. Okay, so reset the count to zeros. Okay, so arrays dot filled count will be 0, and then what we have to do is we have to like count the frequency of the like all the characters in the string. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll take a char c, we'll let's convert the string to character array. Okay, and let's increment the frequency. Okay, so c minus a plus plus. Okay, so this will create the frequency array which will store the frequency. Now let's create that string. Okay, so for creating a string, creating that key, let's take a string builder and call it sp equals to new string builder. Okay, for Now let's take all the values in the count. So let's call it C count. Okay, and we'll append this to string builder. Okay, so append hash dot append C. Cool. Yeah, now let's create a key out of it. So string key equals to sp dot to string. Okay, so this looks good. Now if that map does not contain this key, then we'll create an array list and we'll add it. Okay, rest all will remain same. So let's try to run this code. Okay, this will be arrays.fill. Yeah, this is also getting accepted. Let's try to submit it. Okay, yeah, so this is also passing all the test cases, and the time complexity for this solution is big O of n, and since we are not sorting it, okay, this is constant since we have limit 26 number of the, so the time complexity is yeah, we can say that it is n into k. Thanks for watching.